Hi guys, this is Daksh. Welcome back to a program called Sneak Peek. Drone maker DJI has spent the last few years running a massive robotics competition in China called the RoboMasters, where students build and code robots which are used to battle in a literal arena. Now DJI wants to sell a more approachable version of that idea to kids in the US, China and Japan with an educational toy robot called the RoboMaster S1. The RoboMaster S1 is firstly a camera-equipped remote control tank, secondly it is an educational platform. Besides, DJI is flexing its fully mature hardware and software muscles. Much like DJI's newest drones, the S1 can recognize and respond to gestures and sounds or track objects, all using computer vision. It's equipped with camera that has an f2.4 aperture and a wide 120-degree field of view, which streams its view over Wi-Fi to the mobile app. But unlike DJI's drone, the S1 can shoot projectiles in the form of little gel bead bullets. These beads come in super small size but swell up once submerged in water for a few hours. They are non-toxic but will require some cleanup after use. The RoboMaster S1 can also be driven with controller, though that will be sold separately in an add-on package that includes an extra battery and more gel beads, which will be available at a later date. The cost of the S1 is $499. It can be driven using a mobile app or coded to move on its own. It's equipped with 31 sensors that help it map its environment. And it can move in 360 degrees thanks to its cleverly designed wheels.
With the RoboMaster S1, education and entertainment become one and the same. So power up and learn to win.
What do you think about this DJI RoboMaster tank? Let us know in the comments below. Check out our website pinindians.com for more videos. If you find this video helpful in any way, please share this video with anyone and everyone you believe may benefit from it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.